Have you ever struggled to create consistent characters using AI tools like Midjourney or Stable Diffusion? Well, you're not alone, but today I've got an exciting tool that changes everything. It's called Rendernet AI and it lets you create consistent characters with just a few clicks. Let me show you how. First, head over to Rendernet AI's website. Simply click on Create for free and sign up using your Google account. Easy as that. Now let's look at some of the key features of Rendernet AI. You've got face lock technology, ControlNet for post transformation, and multi-mode generation. These features make it super easy to keep your characters consistent and realistic. Let's dive in. I'm going to upload a clear image as the source. Make sure the image is a close-up with no sunglasses or hats that could cover the face. Next, I'll enter a prompt, some Instagram model wearing glasses, and add keywords like realistic or hyper-realistic for good measure. Now it's time to select a model. I recommend starting with epic realism or absolute reality for photorealistic look. You can leave most of the default settings as they are, but feel free to adjust the number of steps or image samplers if you want more control over the output. If you want to change the pose of your character, ControlNet has you covered. I'll upload a reference image to match the pose. In this case, I'm going to switch my character's pose from sitting to standing with a cup of coffee. You can play around with the settings, but I find the default ones work great. Here are the results. As you can see, the character's face remains consistent across all images, and the pose perfectly matches the reference image. Even the hands turned out great, which is often a tricky area for AI. As you can see, Rendernet AI makes it simple to create consistent characters and virtual influencers with ease. The possibilities are endless, and for just $9 you can get 1000 credits, which is an amazing deal.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.